There's a secret weapon in the world of email marketing. That's right, we're talking about ActiveCampaign. It's almost like hiring a marketing assistant that works 24/7, handling all of your repetitive tasks and delivering tailored messages to your audience. But just like any great hire, ActiveCampaign needs some training. So we're gonna walk you through every step to set it up just right so that it works best for you. But before we get started building the automated workflows, let's first integrate those all-important third-party applications. Your CRM, e-commerce platform, etc. This is really easy to do thanks to ActiveCampaign's extensive list of native integrations. This connectivity enables you to centralize your data, automate more tasks, and create a seamless customer journey. To connect an app, all you need to do is head to your settings and click on Integrations. If you click on Add an Integration, you'll see the most popular ones. Or you can head to the app directory, where you'll find more than 950 apps. For Shopify, simply add your store's URL and click Connect. You'll be redirected to Shopify to authorize a connection. Log into your Shopify account if you're not already logged in. Then, click Install App to authorize ActiveCampaign to access your Shopify store data. Here, you can choose what data you want to sync between Shopify and ActiveCampaign, including contacts, orders, and products. This integration will also automatically add purchase data to contact records, allowing for personalized follow-ups. You can also send abandoned cart reminders and product recommendations, as we'll see in a moment. Now, what's key to maximizing ActiveCampaign is how you set up workflows. These will depend on the kind of business you run. For example, if you have an online store, cart abandonment, welcome series, post-purchase follow-ups, and win-back emails are crucial. So make sure to check out our downloadable cheat sheet in the description, which gives you a detailed overview of the key workflows to set up for extra sales. But first, let's look at setting up a simple automation, something like delivering a free checklist or webinar to someone who's signed up for it. Side note, this free email marketing ebook is a popular one of ours. And if you need tips on how to create the perfect lead magnet for your business, check out our shorts, as we've created a number of videos on this topic. Okay, back to showing you how it's done. Let's hit Create an Automation. ActiveCampaign offers several ready-made templates to choose from, but for this tutorial, we're going to start from scratch. The first step is to set up a trigger. This trigger will activate the automation that kicks in when someone signs up for your lead magnet. In this case, we're choosing Subscribe to a List. Select the list that people will be added to when they sign up for your lead magnet. Now we need to deliver the lead magnet, which in this case is a free ebook. Select Send an Email. If you haven't created the email yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Give it an internal name like ebook, lead magnet, download link, which your subscribers won't be able to see, and click Create. Use a clear subject line like, "Here's your free guide," and in the email body, thank your new subscriber and provide a downloadable link. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save and Exit. Back in the Automation Builder, you'll see your new email listed. Now, when someone subscribes to your list, this email will be automatically sent to them. A quick tip, you might want to send a follow-up email a few days later to those who have not yet downloaded the lead magnet. To do this, use if-else conditional logic. Set the condition to has clicked on a link, add the campaign, and select the download link. Give them 4 days to meet the condition. It will then split the automation into 2 paths. For the no path, add your follow-up message letting them know their free resource is waiting for them. For the yes path, add a delay of 4 days and then send them a follow-up email offering additional resources and invite them to connect with you on social media. Continue building your sequence by repeating the wait and email actions as needed. Once you're done, review your automation to ensure everything is set up correctly. If it is, you're ready to activate it. That's it! You've successfully set up an automated delivery sequence for your lead magnet. Okay, we just showed you how subscribing to a specific email list can be a trigger, but there are many other types of triggered automations. For example, imagine a user is browsing your online store and adds a product to their basket, but doesn't actually make the purchase. You can set up an email automation to remind them that their products are waiting for them, and if you want, send them a discount code to encourage a purchase. Here we'll show you a pre-existing template that is ready to go. If you've already connected your store to ActiveCampaign, just select it here and then edit the email. Once inside the editor, you'll see there is a block called Abandoned Cart. Add this, and the products they left behind will automatically be added. You can create a coupon code with this block if you wish. Knowing what products or services users are interested in is also essential to creating a personalized email marketing strategy. Thanks to ActiveCampaign's website tracking feature and ready-made templates, this is super easy to do. Just search for product interest tagging and select Part 1. Add your site here and the product or service page you want to track. If you don't want to get too specific right now, you can simply add the category page. For example, www.myshop.com, women dresses. That way, anyone who's looking at the products that fall under dresses will be tagged with interested in dresses. But this will depend on how you have your products organized, so see what makes sense for you. In the next step, add the URL again and select URL starts with so that all the dress product pages will be included. In the yes path, edit the tag accordingly to show that they are very interested. In the no path, you'll see that the number of times the user looked at dresses was fewer, and so the interested tag has been assigned, as opposed to the very interested. You can do the same for other categories, service pages, etc. And then set up another automated workflow called Product Interest Targeted Follow-up Email. Once inside, make sure to add the correct tag here. In this case, interested in dresses, and edit the email content. The fact that ActiveCampaign allows you to add dynamic content blocks is excellent for sending ultra-personalized email content. This means that you can set the conditions for displaying each block. For example, we can set it so that it only displays to those who have been tagged as interested in dresses. You'll see that ActiveCampaign has a whole list of conditions to choose from, including these e-commerce specific conditions. Make sure to preview the email to ensure the dynamic content displays correctly based on different tags, and send test emails to see how the personalized content looks for different segments. Once everything looks good, schedule or send the campaign to your segmented list. Before we finish up, I wanted to show you one last very important thing: where to find the key metrics to see if your marketing efforts are actually making a difference. You'll find that ActiveCampaign has a report for everything, from automations and sales, engagement, to campaigns. What's cool is that it gives you insights into specific trends, so you can make smart optimizations and get ideas for upcoming content. You can also track how your automation sequences are performing through highlighting completion rates, drop-off points, and by tracking specific goals like conversion rates. For online stores, ActiveCampaign's reporting integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. You can track sales data, measure the ROI of your email campaigns, and see how your emails influence purchase behavior. I highly recommend keeping a close eye on these metrics and continuously optimizing your automated workflows to get the best results. All right, we'll leave it here for today. That was quite a bit of information, but I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more email marketing content and tips and tutorials. Don't forget to check out our cheat sheet on the key automated workflows to set up your online store. There's a link in the description below.